How to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open Facebook. Sign in to your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Now you need to scroll down and navigate to the gear icon at top right to access setting and privacy. Tap search icon at top right corner of your screen and you need to simply type in page status. Once you get the option, select that. Scroll down. Tap manage admins. Here ensure you are an admin of the page. Exit the Facebook app. Open Instagram app. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner. Now select edit profile. Scroll down and now look for the page option under profile information. Tap on it and tap continue in order to connect or create a Facebook page. Now tap on login to Facebook and select continue button. Now choose a page to which you want to connect your Instagram. Tap connect. And as you can see that our Instagram has been connected to the Facebook page. You can come across that and you can easily see the page. Afterwards, you need to come back and then tap on this profile at bottom right and select three-line menu icon at top right. Scroll down and then tap on corresponding or corresponding. And you can easily adjust the preferences like your stories, reels or post. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.